Okay. I'm back with page 311. Let's do numbers 5 and 6. So we need to rewrite in exponential form. Sorry, 311, number 5. So it just says to rewrite in exponential form. So we need to figure out, we need to get the exponent by itself. 7 squared equals 49. Well, guess what we're going to do? Everybody take your pencil. Put it right underneath the 7. And we're going to swoosh. We have log. We started at base 7, right? Isn't that the base? That's the base of the exponent. We started at base 7. Then we went to 49. After the little tiny base, we get a big 49 equals 2. And then check your work. Is 2 the exponent in the question? Yeah, right? Remember, log is a question. What's the exponent? If that number should be the exponent from the question. Okay? All right, let's try number 6. You're more than welcome to get ahead of me. All right, number 6. 50 to the 0 equals 3. So we take our... That doesn't make sense either. Equals 1. Thank you. I'm glad you guys exist. 50 to the 0 equals 1. Put your pencil here, and we do what? Swoosh. Very good. So, since we have to rewrite it with a log, we start out with log. Our base is 50, because that's the base of the exponential equation. After 50, we went out to 1, and then it's equal to, we ended up pointing at 0. And again, check. Was 0 the exponent in the question? Then we did a good job. All right, go ahead and do numbers 7 and 8 right now on page 311. All right, you should have finished 7 and 8, and we're on to page 311, number 9. So you need a calculator, but some of them you can't do on a calculator yet. So number 9 is log base 2 of 32, right? Yeah. So you have to go back to what I originally said. Log's a question. The question is, what's the exponent? What exponent gets you from 2 to 32? 5. There you go. And then you can always use your calculator to check your work. 2 to the 5th is 32. Okay? So log is a question. What question gets you there? You're also allowed, with the swoosh, you're allowed to rewrite it. 2 to the x, or 2 to what, will get me 32. And then I still need to think or guess and check. Okay? So that's what we do when we have bases that we don't, bases that aren't 10. Now some of you do have calculators where you can enter in whatever base you want. Those calculators I think were invented after I graduated high school. I'll teach you how to use them anyway. But let's do number 10 real quick. Log base 27 of 3. So what exponent will get us back to 3? 1/3. 1/3. Why do you know it's 1/3?
Because 3 is the cube root of 27.
Nice. 3 is the cube root, and we write our roots as fractions. Okay? Don't use a decimal. Right? So 27 to the 1/3 power, or the cube root of 27, is 3. Beautiful. Okay. Now for numbers 11 and 12. You're going to go right to your calculator and just get familiar with it. So on the main screen, since number 11 doesn't have a base, the base is 10, and that means all scientific and graphing calculators should do it. You just need to know where the log button is. Log, and then what is it, log of 12? Cool. Always close your parentheses when you open them, please, even though you don't need to here. We're getting 1.079. What does it tell us to round to? 3 decimal places? All right, so 1.079 is your answer. All right? And then go ahead and do number 12. You can check your work with me on the board. So number 12 is ln, so find your ln button. Type in 0.75. Bada bing, bada boom. Round to 3 decimal places. Negative 0.288. Okay? Feel good? Awesome. All right.